Hello and grüezi to this video how you can print from STYX network together with the new system SR24. First, the range printer tool which connects to the STYX network and enable printing on the lanes. When you start up the range printer, you see here with this green banner that the range printer is connected to the STYX network. If it is red, there is no connection to the STYX network. In file preferences, you have the possibilities for different settings. First here is application auto update. If you select this checkbox, automatically when a new version will be available, this update will come to your computer. The save option, you have the possibility to say what type of printouts you want to save. A lane print is equal to the lane printer, which you know from other systems. And you have here the exercise report. That's the one you know from the 10-lane command desk. There are additional files which you can also store on the disk. That's shotplot export file, the ISSF export file, and also the possibility to save the SEUS data file, which you can import in SEUS data. The export folder says on which place are the files stored. In the print area here, you have the possibility to enable the lane print. Here you have the file, and here you have the direct print on a connected printer. And also you can enable the individual print. That's the same as the exercise report, which you know from 10-lane command desk. You also can say how many copies you want to have of each print. In this area, you have to configure which lane prints on which printer. You can assign the local connected printer to each lane, individual. We have now connected lane number 1 to this OK printer and lane number 2 to the same printer. Important to know is that you only can select printer which prints without any prompt and manual handlings before printing. That means if you select a printer which makes a PDF file or something like that, then it does not work because you have to manually enter the file name. And here is also only possible to print reports without any prompts to have manual inputs at printing. If everything is set up, you can press OK and small. If you want to make a reprint of already done competition, you can do that within Cockpit. For this, we start Cockpit. After login, we change to the menu, and here we go to Watchtower. And in the Watchtower menu, there is exercises. If you click on that, you get all athletes. with user ID, name, organization, and here in the back you see the small I, details, and if you click on that, you get all competition of this athlete. Now you can press here on this button, Report, and you get the possibility to save the report directly to a folder. This looks in this way. You get the PDF file, and if you open this PDF file, you see the same printout as you know from 10-lane command desk with athlete, nationality, athlete number, the name of the competition, and all results of the competition. You can also press this button, send to range printer, and so far in this view nothing happens. But when we change now to the view of range printer, we see in the log here that a document for lane 1 received, and he has done a lane report and an individual report. After press the print button, automatically the selected reports here will be stored in the directory which we defined here. I copy this directory, and now we go to this directory. We see the actual date, and here we have two different files. We have one that contains the lane printer view, and the second one that gives the same view as we have here with this report button, as you know from 10-lane command desk. If you select more than one competition, those two buttons come active. If you press now send to range printer, all active competition will be stored and print on the printer. The button multiple exercises report gives the possibility to print out on one sheet together all results of different competitions. But this is at the moment only available for competition. They get pass fail, which will be then on one sheet. With the back button, you come back to the overview of the athletes, and from here, with this, you came back to the menu overview. Thank you for watching this video.